Hello everyone, I'm Yusuf Mirza. I'm from Turkey and I'm studying computer engineering in Turkey. And today I'm gonna solve SIT practice test for the learners. Um, I'm recording the video because I think I'm good at maths and also I can solve questions in specific ways. So let's move ahead and solve some questions. Let's start with the first question. Yeah, blue is okay. If x cage, what's the value of x? Yeah, you can simply cross and then 3k is x minus 1, then k is 3, x is easily 10. There is no tactics here, you can simply do this. Also, what's the sum of this? It says, and it's okay. Let's sum them. Okay, that's it. Yeah, interesting. On Saturday afternoon, I must send them text messages each for. Alright, I'm send figures. Which one of the following presents total number? Send each are for. Okay. Um. So, in practical way, in normal way, we can solve questions like that. 5 hours and each hour is m. For armored is this, and for Tyron is .p simply, and we can simply select C is the correct answer. And also we can we can assume m is 10 and p is 5, and 1 10 per hour makes 50, and 5 with 4 20 is 70, and you can put them there and select the correct answer. If the equation is very complicated, you can use this method to solve them. Let's move ahead. And P number left, and D is the number of days he has worked for a week. What's the meaning of volume? So simply the telephone number and 180 minus 22d. Then let's go. In the first day, we say he's on the 10th. Right now, he's about to do. He, she only has 180. Then 1 day later, it's 85. Then you can see it decreases. And let's go. Katie will complete the repairs in not. It took about 5. Yeah, she finished 5 days in 5 days. Katie starts each week with phones to fix. Yeah, it's true. He starts with 180. Katie repairs phones at the rate of no 23 per day. Not, it's not true, and not 180. And yeah, you can well simply be. It was a simple question, so there's no tactics here. Just go ahead and solve the questions. Which following is equivalent to the expression above? It's simply taking it. Okay. If you do that, this one will be. Sorry. Let's change the color. This one should be 1 minus, and it's minus 3, it's 3. 3 and minus 3 is gone, and if we sum them is 2, and this is 2. Yeah, also you can just try and give the numbers for x, for example 1, y is 0, and you can simply say that and solve the question too. It's a method for this try method. Prediction using model of body's height of a boy in inches. Okay, in terms of body age a in years between ages based on model. What's this mean increase in inches of body's height each year? Between age of and 5. Let's put in an a. Yeah, what's the height of the boy? Let's see. 2.5 2.2, if we cross them is 6, and yeah, simply do the math. um, yeah, simply it's that. And what's the estimated increase in inches of post each year? um, let's um, look at the difference. Oh, let's see, it's 9, and in 3 years the boy um, increases his height with 9 inches, so it's simply 3. The formula gives monthly payment and need to pay off a loan of P dollars at the 3% annual interest over n months. Which one of following gives pay in terms of M, R, and D? Oh, okay. This is the equation. Let's call it A, and then M, and the equation. Let's change the equation like that. Then let's take P over there, and that's simply it. And what's A? And should we do? No, there's no need to do math in here. So we simply write but also we can do equations one step, equation one step from us. Yeah, it's really interesting question. Yeah. Let's they go on, and if we change the direction of it, AM, PM, 1 bölü AM, PM eşittir A. Okay. It was a bad one, sorry about that. Let's not change everything. Yeah, we are just changing it. Okay, I'm sorry, my bad. Also we can, yeah, I'm wrongly do the equation. It's my mistake. So it's simply did that like that, and M divide A is the equation, the answer, and the A is it, and we should up it upside down. So the correct answer is this. If AB was the value of okay, AB, let's zoom in. AB is 2, and we can say BA is 1 divided 2, and then just simply with 4 multiply with 4. What's the solution is the system of equations above. Yeah, we simply we can multiply with -2, and if we do the math, let's do it. These are gone. 5x is 15, x equals 3, and if it's equals 3, and do the math here, it's 9, throw it to the other side, and y is -8. Yeah, so the answer is B. What's the function g defined above? A is a constant and g4 is 8. What's the value of g minus 4? Yeah, go ahead. We simply put here, and what's the 16a and 24. Then what's the is equals to 8. Then throw it ahead. A is -1. So if A is -1, let's put it here, and we have this equation for gx, and if we put -4 here, and we can say we should say 8 is the answer. If we put there, I can do the math on this side too, as 16.2, and if you do that, it's 8. In the equations before we answer in dollars of cheese and chicken respectively each weeks after July 1 during last summer, was the price per pound of beef when it's equal to um okay. uh, yeah, we simply mm, write the equation, and we want these ones equal to each other, so let's solve it. Yeah, two of them, let's edit the equation. Yeah, you can say is equals to 4, then we put it there. We should find the answer, 3.235. A line in explain passes through the origin and has slope of 1 divided 7. Which of following points lies on the line? Okay, we can draw it, and let's change the question again. It crosses the passes through the origin, and we can say, and we can write this then as its equation. Let's say it's fx, and fx is equals to, also it's y, we can say simply that. It's maybe you know, or maybe you can research on the net, or I will explain to you in following lessons, but it's the diagram of this equation of this graphic is this, and then yeah, we simply put this, and look if we have that 1. So x, you put 0, it should be 0. 1 plus 7, 7, it should be 1. 14, it should be 2. Yeah, 2. Also, I can explain it to you right now, if you don't understand it. So let's look at it. And the graph of this type of graphics, or graphics, if it's linear, we can simply say it's a slope, and this this number is, if you say x is equal to 0, we should find the b, and it's the point of x 0's position, like that. For example, let's write the equation for this too. Let's say it's 3, and slope is 1 divided 2. Y equals this, and the number of, if we say 0, the y is 2, 3, and we should say b is 2, 2. So the equation is here. Let's go ahead. Oh, it's a simple equation too. Let's go on. If x.5, which following is equal? Let's try another method. Let's say x equals 1, and we say that 1.3 and 1.4. Oh, sorry, my mistake. It mentions that we shouldn't put it. So let's say 4. And if you say 4, 1 and 1. And 1.7, and let's solve this place. Let's multiply them with 7 and 6, and we have this from there, and it's 13 divided 42, and we should upside down to solve this equation. The answer should be this. So let's put all of them together, and it's not the number like that. So these are gone, and let's put 16. It's true. This is true, and this is the upside down of it, and this is it. So it's a wrong one. What's the value of? Okay. What's the value of? Okay. Also in these questions we can also just give a number. This is 5. Y is then is 3, and just put it. And we can say 8 is 2, 3, and then we solve it. It's this. Sorry. 12, and we can select it. It's 8 and it is 6, so also it's not, so we can simply do the math and solve the equations easily. Let's go. X is all the values of x, and it was two positive values for c. Okay, also two positive 4. Okay, let's go and let's multiply them. Let's do the math. And this, and it's equal to this equation. So let's see. A multiply B is 15. C is 7A plus 2B, and these are done. So also A to B is 8. So we can simply say A is 5 and B is 3 to solve these two equations. And if we say that, also we can say 3 and 5 to this. And let's look at on here. If we do the math, the first one is 41 and second one is 21 plus 10 is 31. Yeah, simply this. Okay, it's not, we going to not use calculator on this too. Okay, let's go. Let's look at this question. If t bigger than 0, t minus 4 is b. What's for f t? Throw it. T is equals 2 and minus 2, but because of this rule we should only say t equals to 2. Let's go. A sample can find the length x in feet across the lake as presented in sketch above. The A, B, and D sketch of CD is to be feet. Okay, let's put them. It's here, put it here, and BD is here, and which one is? Okay, segments AC and these index at bit. Okay, and AIB CD have same measure. Okay, let's call both of them A or alpha. What's the value of x? So let's go. So if you say these are A and these are C and these are B, they are similar to each other. So if B has 1400 and this one is 700, it equals to 2. So it's 2 times bigger than this, and C is 800 and this should be 1600 feet. According to system, what's the area of x? Okay, we simply do the same thing again. Let's multiply it with minus 2. Oh, sorry. Oh no. And minus x equals to minus 7 and x is 7. In a triangle, one angel measures x where sin x 4 divided 5. What's cos? So maybe in exam you forgot the rules and you don't know how to do this type of questions. You can simply use triangles or circles to solve the question. Let's see. If I don't know anything, I just know what is sinus and cosinus. So let's simply draw a triangle. Let's call it x. My sin x means let's say this one. Sinus means is A divided C, and cosinus means B divided C in if we look at cosinus x. So if we look at the question, let's put the numbers with this argument, and let's say it's 4 and 5. With Pythagoras theorem, we should find this tree which is the rule is that, if you remember that. So if you look at here, we can say it's 90 minus x, and so if you look at this cosinus, we should take that and take that. 4 divide 5 is our answer. If a 5 what's rule of, it's a simple one too. Let's multiply them. K is 1, and then let's is equals to this equation, and we can say we can put it like that, and these are gone. 10 is the root equals to root of x, and x should be 100. Yeah, we solved 20 questions, and I give you some, you can try to give numbers on this questions, but questions is simple, so I couldn't give any more tactics to solve questions, but in next videos I can find hard questions and I can give you more tactics. Just I can give it for you, and maybe you can gain something from my solving techniques. Lastly, I can show you how to solve this question with circle. So let's draw a circle here. I will say x is sinus x is 4 divided 5. So we can say y and x. Y, if we say is r equals to 1, we can say is 4 divided 5, so it's 2 divided 5. And also we can draw 90 minus x here, and you can say it's a x here too, and also we can draw a triangle here. So sinus x is 4 divided 5, so simply put 4 divided 5 here, and it's 2 divided 5. So let's look at the bigger version. Is minus, and that's it. And if we want to find cosinus 90 minus x, we should find here. And how we can find here? We found 3 divided 5 here, so it should be 4 divided 5, because for Pythagoras theorem it should be like that. You know, the Pythagoras theorem is this. If we have 19 degrees on here, we should the theorem is this, if we're trying to find the triangle. So thank you for listening. I will try to understand, I will try to explain how I solve questions and how much my aspect to solve the questions. So thanks for listening to me, and goodbye, have a good day, see you soon.